So the same number as 15.5 is the mean. All you have to do is take every individual number here and subtract it from the mean. So the first number is 12. It doesn't matter if it's in order or not for the mean, because you're eventually going to do all of them. So you take 12 minus 15.5, square it, plus, let's say 17 is the next number, 17 minus 15.5. I mean, I do recommend usually having them in order of smallest to biggest, but it's not like 100% necessary. Yeah, that's fine. Oh my gosh. Third number, 15. 15 minus 15.5. Square it, plus, what's the fourth number? 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 18 minus 15.5, and then you square it, plus the next number, 17 again, minus 15.5, and then you square it, plus 12 minus 0.5, and then you square it, and then you have 16 and 17. Okay, so then 16 minus 15.5, and you square it, plus 17. Okay. Boom, boom. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brackets, 8 numbers. Boom. And when you add all these up together, you divide by 8, which is the amount of numbers we have in this case. So let's just do it step by step. Let's add them all up together. Let's see. Okay, we got 12 minus 15.5, and then you square it. So I got 12.25 plus 17 minus 15.5, square it, 2.25. 2.25. This is very important when you get to probability. When you're doing like statistics, standard deviations. You also use standard deviations in labs to figure out like errors or something. I don't know, it's been a while. I forgot now. I remember I used to do this every single year because I did a degree in chemistry. And for every single lab, you had to calculate the standard deviation. So yeah, I remember I did a lot of this. And then also math. I did some math. I did some stats in class. So I remember for statistics class, I had to do this as well a lot. So yeah. But once again, I got good at it. And then I just have my Excel. Just plug in the values and you're good. You guys are just learning. So learn. Okay, 2.25. That should be 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'm just gonna add these up together now. Let's just add them. Okay, 12.25 plus 2.25 plus 0.25 plus 6.25 plus 2.25 plus 12.25 plus 0.25 plus 2.25. All right, that adds up to 38, and I know my n value is 8. So divided by 8, 4.75. And that is equal to the variance. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So a lot of students also kind of forget that. Now the final step, standard deviation. What's the standard SD? Standard deviation? Yeah, I think so. Square root of 4.75. So square root that, and I get 2.18. I wish I could tell you the importance of this number. It is great. Fortunately, I've forgotten. So you're going to have to Google it or ask a professor. But I know it's used a lot. All right, recap learning goals. So identify, calculate different measures of central tendency. So mean, median, mode, you should know how to do that. And then identify, calculate different measures of spread. Spread meaning range and standard deviation. So I did an example of range. I mean, I just verbally did it. It's very easy. And I showed you an example of standard deviation. So now what? What should we be working on? Today's content. Is this right? I thought it was the next one up. I think that was yesterday's, right? I think we're on this one now. Or am I wrong? No, it might be this. Yeah, so then I guess we'll do this. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. There's no quiz due. The quiz is due tomorrow, so yeah, it makes sense. We should do whatever the quiz is on. And assignment number 2.2, 2.3. Yeah. Do this. Let's check the assignments. Is there another assignment happening coming up soon? August 7th. Oh, Monday's a holiday, right? Yeah, Monday's a holiday. So since Monday's a holiday, what's the date on Monday? Doesn't matter. I'm like 90% sure Monday's a holiday. I'll email you in the announcements. I'll post it later on. I'm pretty sure Monday's a holiday because that's why we have. Where's my calendar, man? Here's my calendar. Yeah, it's civic. So August 4th is a holiday. So we jump to August 5th. Okay. So August 1st is today. That's Friday. And then next is August 5th. So yeah, so your assignment 1 will be due on August 5th. I don't know why this is August 7th, though. I have to change that. So I'm going to change this then. But yeah. Okay. So your assignment will be due when you come back on Tuesday. I'll remind everyone then. Other than that, okay, so then, yeah, we are working on Unit 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. And that is it for today. You have a test. Do you have a quiz to do today? Let me check. Hold on. Quiz, let me see. Okay, so it's due on Tuesday. Okay, so I'm off by a day. That's fine. It'll be due on Tuesday then. So we're ahead by a day, not a big deal. Or I think that's how it's meant to be. Maybe. Who knows? Do tomorrow, do today. Just ignore that. Obviously tomorrow's Saturday, so that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so I think the rest of the day is just figuring out the assignment that's due today. That's worth a lot of marks. Make sure you complete that. And then, yeah. Is there any questions? I mean, today was a short day. I guess yesterday was a bit longer. Sure. Okay, so I explained this yesterday. I'll just I'll explain it again. Not a big deal. So if you are you planning on like printing it out, or are you just writing on a piece of paper? Okay, perfect. So take a picture. You have to convert that picture into a PDF file. So my recommendation is using your phone, download a scanning app. So just just Google any scanning app. There's like Genius Scan, Mobile Scan, Cam Scanner, Simple Scan, PDF Scan, whatever. The free one. Like you don't need to pay for it. Watch an ad for like, I don't know, 10 seconds or however long it is, and then just scan it. And once you scan it, then you can email it to yourself or somehow get it to your laptop or whatever, and you can upload it. Or if you know how to upload it straight from your phone, that's fine too. Then just you upload it to the assignment section right here. Unit 1 Seminar Task Trig application. Okay. You're welcome. Any other questions? I mean, I'm here, but I don't think at this point